Hey, Scott Lara, president of military-affairs.com, thecruisegenius.com, walking around my beautiful Lara neighborhood here in Jacksonville, Florida. Sunny Jacksonville, Florida. Sunny Jacksonville, Florida. Just wanted to share a couple thoughts about 2023 and 2024. 2023 was really a great year because was able to go on a couple cruises. The first cruise we went on was in August on the Carnival Liberty with our two grandsons, Reed and Cole. They loved the Carnival Liberty, and I'll tell you what they really loved was the kids club, And if there's only one thing I can tell Carnival is keep that kids club open longer. They close during lunch and then they close like for an hour at dinner. And I understand the reason why. They want to make sure that the kids are eating the correct food because of allergies. And if they were open during lunch and open during dinner and, you know, serving the kid food, what if Timmy ate a peanut or Brittany ate a cracker or something that was on the allergy list? So I get it that Carnival wants, and of course, to give the staff a break. I get that 110%. Give the staff a break. I get it. But all I could tell you is my grandkids love the kids club. They wanted to go back. They were upset when it was closed. Why is it closed? We want to go back. And so, and again, we are not the type of grandparents or parents that would just dump the kids off at the kids club. We wanted to spend time with the kids, and we had a great time. Yeah, I had breakfast with them and did fun things, and that's important. But that was our first cruise. That was August of 2023. Now, I also went to Cancun a couple times to TRS Coral and to TRS Yucatan, both in 2023. Had a great time there. I was actually covering the family selection there at Grand Palladium Costa Mujeres and had an interview there with the manager because Grand Palladium Riviera Maya Quintana has opened up their family selection area. Scott, what's family selection? Well, basically, it's a dedicated area for families, and I love the way it's branded, Family Boss. And if you look at my YouTube video, when I was at Grand Palladium Vallarta, I actually stayed in the family selection area there. Very cool. The people of Palladium team was very kind, very friendly, very helpful toward the kids, and it was really great. So Palladium Riviera Maya now has, or Palladium Quintana. Let me explain it to you. At Grand Palladium Riviera Maya, there are basically four resorts: Quintana, White Sand, Colonial, and TRS Yucatan. Now, TRS Yucatan is the adults only area, which I absolutely love. 110% love it. Helios, you got Chic. It's just an amazing venue. TRS Yucatan, right? But you got Colonial, you have White Sand, and you have Quintana. And so Grand Palladium renovated Quintana to be family selection. And they've done kind of a soft opening now. And I am reading reviews that it's good to be there. And of course, as the months go by, it's going to get even better and better. And I'll actually be going in June. But the point I'm trying to say is, that was another one of my trips this year. Grand Palladium Riviera Maya, as I'm out of breath. Haven't been walking around lately, so. All right, so then Carnival Liberty with the grandkids. Then I went on the Virgin Voyages Scarlet Lady, and I'll tell you, I'll just start cracking up at this. It was just absolutely perfect. Adults only, and Virgin Voyages has great value. What do I mean by that? It's a couple pennies more than other cruises. However, what you get for those extra pennies, free basic Wi-Fi, free basic drinks like soda, and I'll tell you, the one thing I loved about it is the loyalty match. It's called Deep Blue Express, and they've extended that for 2024. Thank you, Virgin Voyages, because that's a great benefit too. Because I'm 3-star Mariner on Holland America line. I'm also platinum on Carnival, so I was able to transfer my loyalty over to Virgin Voyages, and I got expedited boarding, $10 cabin credit per day for specialty coffee, and a couple of enhanced Wi-Fi, the premium Wi-Fi. So that was cool. So Virgin Voyages, and then I went on the MSC Seashore, which was an amazing cruise. And I'm gonna be real honest, I'll be real transparent with you. The thing with the MSC Seashore, or let me just say MSC in general, I was reading the reviews, and that's all I'll say. I was reading the reviews. But my daughter, Brittany, said, Dad, go with an open mind. So I did. And I'm so glad I did, because the ship is amazing. The food was good. The service was great. I met a lot of people on there that were my fans, that recognized me and had a chance to meet them. So all I will say is I loved MSC, I really did. And then of course 2024 looks like I may be going to Antarctica and doing a couple other things as well. So I'm saying all this to say this. 2024 is your year to hit your bucket list, right? You did 2023, you did what you did, great. You didn't do what you didn't do. But I encourage you, if you're a member of the military, you're a veteran, or family member of a military person, go to Military Fares, F-A-R-E-S, militaryfares.com. Book your hotel, your airfare, your all-inclusive resort. And if you're interested in a cruise, you can just email me directly, scott@militaryfares.com. Happy to help you with a cruise. Lots of great things coming here in 2024. And I would like to help you create some great memories. Let me get to a place here where I can take us out. Scott Lara, president of militaryfares.com. Have a great 2024.